Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will see how to write the regular expression for the Twitter handle. Let's try to see it. So here I am trying to write the the Twitter handle of mine. So here I am trying to write it. So normally the Twitter handle, how it will be is something like this one. @ starts with the @ and it will be a characters. So now if you want to write this regular expression for this one, so let's try to write one by one. So first it needs to start something like, so starting and ending symbol I am trying to keep it. Now the starting symbol, how it should be is something like, it should start with @, okay? So I can keep it @, and now then it should be followed by any word, should be one or more, okay? So something like this it should be. So that means what I am trying to write here, /w means, you need to remember that /w means nothing but A to Z, small a to Z, capital H to Z, 0 to 9, and with an underscore. So this is the combination, and it should be something like one or more. So this is the Twitter handle I am trying to make it. Now here, if you want to extract the name of this Twitter handle here, so what I can do here, so I can make it as a group, captured group, okay? So I can get this Twitter handle and I can get this name from through the JavaScript. I can get it. So I will try to show you that one also. For example, let's go to the inspect element. So here I'll be having a regular expression, okay? So this is our regular expression, so which I have implemented here, or otherwise you can write something like RegEx is equal to, let's try to copy this one, okay? So I'm using like this. This is our regular expression, and we have a data. So Twitter handle is nothing but @Leela NERSIMHA. So this is our Twitter handle. Now what I will try to do, RegExcc of data. So I'm trying to get it. So now if you try to see here, so when we are trying to capture the data, here you will be able to see at the index 1. So this is the captured group without a @. So why we are able to get it? So here we are able to keep that one in the captured group. So that is the reason we are able to get it. So this is how we will be having, we can catch this Twitter handle. For example, if you don't mention that one in a tweet, so if you don't mention this one in a captured group, so then what will happen is, so if you try to see the same thing, so now here you will be able to see that Twitter handle, so you are able to get the data directly, okay? So right now we don't have any groups, so because of that reason, so we are not able to get it. For example, if you mention that one in a something like, so we have learned this is a captured group. If you don't want this one as a captured group, you can mention it like this. So this one is also, it will work, but you will not get a as a the name as a captured group. Why? Because so we are mentioning that one as a non-captured group. So these are the different types. What is the things you need to understand? So here, if you want something like, if somebody doesn't write this @ and also if you want to capture that one means, so you can also use something like question mark. So if somebody adds this one, so we can able to get it. If somebody adds double @, so it will not capture it. Why? Because we are adding condition question mark. So that one, it is nothing but 0 or 1. And here if you want to write @ in the middle also, it will not capture it. Why? Because we are trying to see one or more of word character. So that is nothing but capital A to Z, small a to Z, and also the 0 to 9. So this is the about how to handle this Twitter handle, how to write the regular expression for the Twitter handle. Hope you understood about this one, how to write this Twitter handle, how to write the regular expression for the Twitter handle. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. I will try to give the reply. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.